cards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's wreck some buses. And they're on their way!
Woo! Let the fun begin! Woo!
So, hope the hits start off early enough. Full box. Full
Cheese box, cheese
with a
box.
hit. Oh, Ham Wallet getting pontooned again.
Uh-oh.
Big hit there.
Come on,
The
cheese
Z-Man,
box.
Ryan
You
Zerkowski
can do
going right
it.
after the JYD, John Dennison. Kevin Romney, Tattoos, the Z-Man, I believe that's Kevin Romney.
There's a few
Meanwhile,
buses that I
let's see if
never
we
saw,
can, catch
which I
up
never
with Chris
seen
Van
before.
Jody. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, where is it?
Oh, this one's already been damaged since last month's appearance.
You lose him already?
What the?
No, here he is.
The
There
green
he
one
is.
just left the prize.
Pixel Fun.
Uh-oh.
Chris Van Jagger. Hello. Who's your daddy? Oh, they're crunching and bunching.
Whoa.
John Dennison getting a tattoo
Whoa.
from Jason Savoy. Death Wish Racing, oh, and the Z-Man all over Dennison as well. They seem to be keen on John Dennison here early.
Holt in the head.
Oh, who's your daddy?
That's the same Holt in the head bus. Look out for
Dennis
cheese
Scott.
box.
That's a big one. And Chris Van Dodge get together.
Dude, there.
Chris
I
Van
can see
Gatz
Holt in
has
the
it
head
all
in the
worked out.
close-up.
Yeah, fantastic.
Ooh, you better watch out for the pirate bus. The black one, that's the pirate one.
Oh,
Oh,
they're tattooed.
oh, cheese
Van
box.
Partridge. Well, they are, aren't they?
I'm gonna say
Z-Man,
this
Ryan
in soon.
Zerkowski. Who won this very tough demo last year?
Say this 1, 2, 3. Holt in the head.
Chris Van Freeze.
That was just a light hit, not as hard.
These buses. Full? It is. We love them though.
There's
Batteries
Kevin.
hanging out. Kevin Romney.
Oh no. Uh-oh, there it goes.
Gonna hit that tire. Yeah, I guarantee they can't see the tires when they're backing up. Of course, his nephew, Eddie Brunhutzel IV, enamored with this entire deal.
Here
He's
goes
still here.
Kevin. Oh, the Z-Man. There goes the Z-Man. 1, 2, 3, hold the head!
Chris Van
Oh,
Hopen for the hit.
that's
on the
much
front
better.
Uh-oh, look out, here we go! Who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy?
That's our boy. Yeah? Chris Van Nostri.
Oh. Bravo, which the bus I never seen before. Bravo.
Who's out?
Oh,
Well, it was
pushing
here
Kevo.
the rapid recovery bus
Holt in the head.
of Paul Fox is done, as well Ham Wallet. Ham Wallet looks like this game, he has run out of bacon over there. Yes, he's done. I think those are the only two
Oh,
out of the event. Then you got the Z-Man, Ryan Zerkowski.
wow. 2 buses already
Kevin
out.
Romney, who had an issue
The
last
ham,
time.
the green ham bus, left this prize on the
Romney was
floor,
mad.
and rapid
Not thrilled. And Ryan
recoveries
Zerkowski.
out too.
John Dennison's out there. not having much action as of yet.
There's the Z-Man.
Boom! Oh, big hit. Big hit by Chris Van Lieben. Oh yeah, goes after Kevo. The Z-Man Ryan Jakowski.
Bravo's out too.
First this week.
Here it goes. I'm gonna say this in 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Hold that sandwich. Oof.
How to give it up. Yeah.
Wow.
Chris Van Robinson.
I can't believe a few already finished at the right at the start. Oof, holding the head sandwich. Oof. Arg! Arg! The pirate bus is smushed. Arg! See that?
Yes.
Well, unfortunately the lights is kind of blurry tonight, so I might not be in the best spot. But you can still see the buses, right?
Cheesebox Michael Romney. John Deniston.
Oh, that pirate bus! Oh, arg! Stealing me gold!
They're both being very conservative.
Oh, the cheese box is kicking the booty out of here.
Yes.
Kicking the pirate's boot.
Speaking of which, Chris Van Weed.
Lauren! Oh man! It's falling apart.
Yes.
Oh, the junkyard dog! I never seen that before.
David Cassidy.
Oh! Arg!
Oh, baby.
Arg!
Who needs a
Yar-har-har! Oh, arg! Ha-ha-har! You're out now! Hold the head! You'll be a hold the head sandwich now! Har-har-har!
It is fun. Wait till they try to get that bus out of here. They'll be here.
Oh, I don't know if that one looks good anymore.
Oh, come on, give it up for Chris Van Hem.
Woo! The cheese box is blowing smoke.
Look at that guy go!
Who's also Dennis the Menace. Oh, junkyard dog.
Chris Van Rogers doing a hell of a job. Look out. Oh, wow! Cabo! Oh! Oh! Cabo's the sandwich. Oh! Smoke coming out. Oh! Oh, this is good. You know what? I think this is getting good now. Oh! Debris coming out of Dennis the Menace, which is known as the cheese box. Wayno Kula. Demon Nice bus.
The
Doing a great job still.
Oh! Oh! Arg! The evil pirate bus. Arg! Oh!
The cheese box.
Oh,
And Chris
junkyard
Van
dog.
Cognac up the backstretch.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, there's the real cheese box. That one, that bus is Dennis the Menace. The one I can see far away is cheese box.
Cheese box is hiding.
Oh, cheese box is hiding tonight, eh?
Ryan Jakowski professing his love for Taylor on the side of the bus.
Oh, there's the real cheese box pushing the hole in the head.
Walked out of the starter stand. And Chris Van Taylor should be done.
Oh, arg! Every time if the black bus keeps crashing another bus,
Look at that
misery machine,
Gotta give him credit.
that's the bus
Somebody's gotta
that
get a
I
picture of that for
say
the
it's the
photo.
pirate
Would
bus.
you look at that bus
Every
in the
time
background?
if the
You're reusing that one.
oh, a lot of buses already stopped.
off the chest.
The only time I've seen it quite like that, Rusty Turbish was crazy enough or lost a bet and did one of these one night.
Yeah, we first did him.
Uh-oh. Dennis the Menace is starting to break down.
13-ton school buses destroying each other right before your very eyes.
Yeah. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Arg!
Just
The misery machine, which is the pirate bus. Arg!
they are
Junkyard dog.
much that it is made of Adam Wheeler.
That's what the junkyard dog says.
Big hit on the Demon Knight, Wayne Okula. That was the cheese box, Michael Romney. We're getting down to a few here now.
All right, let's see who's left. We got Kevin Romney, Kevo,
Right? Jason Savoy.
Jason Savoy.
I think the Z-Man's just about had it.
He just crapped out over there. Nope, he's still going. We got the cheese box. And you got Wayne
Ooh,
O'Cool.
junkyard dog versus misery machine, which is the pirate bus.
Deniston.
Gonna steal all the doubloons from every other buses.
That's about it for the Z-Man.
You'd be surprised.
What's this? Dennis the Menace might have been broken down, so I think he might be out. Oh no, still moving.
Dennis Scott's still rolling over there.
Yeah, Dennis has done a good job. Rob Oliver was out early in that bus with the red side, the backstretch. Logan Fogg was supposed to be in it.
There. John Dennis with a big hit to the cheese
Ooh, we
box.
got like, the pirate flag fell off. Looks like it's gonna be out soon.
Wayne Okula flattening out the radiator
Arg.
box.
1, 2, 3, Kevo!
Kevin Romney, Ralph Cramden.
And watch Kevin Romney as it gets closer to the end of these things. He starts going for tires.
Yeah,
He starts trying to hit tires, take them out, and dismantle their bus.